x is 9.7. First question, first part, x upon cos square x. We can write it x into secant square x. As we know the direct integral of secant square x, we can take it as secant and this as first. Accordingly, algebraic and trigonometric, second function, first function. Then integration of first into second will be, as I told you the rule, first as it is integral of second with respect to x minus derivative of first into integral of second and then its whole integration. So this is the rule. So we have x as it is, integral of secant square x is tan x, for first derivative that is 1, for second integral tan x, and then multiplication and then integration. Tan x into 1 is tan x, for integration of tan x minus log of cos x. So minus minus plus log of cos x plus c is your complete integral. U into v according to Eilert. Exponential is always the last function, that is the second function. So this is second function and this is first function. Now first function as it is integral of second e to the power 3x upon 3 minus, for first derivative, for x square derivative is 2x, this is e to the power 3x, and on multiplication and then integrate this rule. Now for integration of this we have to apply the same rules, that is again two functions in multiplication, first into second. Keep in mind, two functions in multiplication, first into second. So again the same rule, this is x square into e to the power 3x upon 3 minus 2x as it is first function, as it is integral of second function, that is e to the power 3x upon 3 minus derivative of first function, derivative of 2x is 2, and for second function integral and again its integration with respect to x. This is a rule of Eilert. Now we do have single function only, x square e to the power 3x upon 3, this is minus 2 upon 3 x e 3x minus minus plus 2 upon 3 integration of e to the power 3x. This is 2 upon 3 is constant, we can write outside the integral part. Now integration of e to the power 3, only one function, so we can simply integrate it. So 1 upon 3 x square e 3x, 2 upon 3 x e 3x, and 2 upon 3 e 3x upon 3 will be the integral plus c. So 3 3 is a 9 it will be, and this will be your answer. Just write it down.